The Patricia Nash brand is all about old world craftsmanship, Italian vegetable tan leather, and amazing quality. It's about styling that's reminiscent of that bag you might have seen in your grandmother's closet, or that old pair of shoes you saw in some rummage sale in Milan. It's taking all of that old world craftsmanship and memories of our heritage or travels abroad, bringing it all for today's woman by making it a bag, crossbody bag with all of the bells and whistles, the pockets that we love, the length of the strap that we love, and all the detailing that's important to us today. We're really evolving in our product selections. We started with handbags and accessories. Now we make amazing scarves and prints that people are collecting all over the country. Footwear, starting with boots, and now we're doing dip-dyed leather and sandals and hand-weaved shoes, things that are really special. We continue to be innovative with our Italian tanneries in developing unique special leathers and prints that are exclusive only to Patricia Nash. While approaching the end of our 6th year, we've learned that the authenticity of this brand is even more important than ever. I continue to be inspired by old vintage pieces I find still in that market in Spain, or the market in England, or that little vintage shop in Paris. I'm Patricia Nash. Enjoy the moments. Enjoy 2017.